Hello friends, this is Mike with GP Transco. This is another 2019 Volvo VNL 760 for sale. Truck is ready to go now, so if you are interested in this truck, please call me or text me or email me. My cell phone number is 708-983-5822. The truck has 448,000 miles and it has automatic I-shift transmission. I'll show you the truck around with all the details, and we are going to start from the front. The truck has LED fog lights and the headlights, and I'll show you all the details, all the scratches, so you can see what you're coming for. So here's the front. I already checked the truck, so I know all the damage. The only damage is over here on the side, driver side fairing. It's just a scratch. I think this can be buffed out, but the hood has some cracks over here. You can see one little crack over here and over here, and this is why the price is adjusted for this unit. Here's another crack. So I'll show you everything. So from this side, on the top of the on the top of the hood, there's nothing to worry about. This is just the dirt, and the front looks perfectly fine. We got some rock chips over here, but that's normal. We have this on every unit that we have in the fleet. So here's the left side, which is the driver's side, the grill, and the left side I showed you the cracks already. So this is the only damage from the front, and this side, the passenger side, is perfect. There's no single scratch on the truck, no cracks, scratches, nothing that you'll be worrying about. I'll show you the engine and the steer tires later in this video. Also, like the details, the specs of the trucks are in the description of the video, so you can read them over there. Here's the back of the truck. I don't see any issues here. The fairings are not cracked, everything is in place. Here are the tanks and the frame. The frame has zero rust. There's no even a single spot of the rust on the frame. You can see it probably on the video. It looks like the truck has new shocks in the back. Also, the truck is equipped with the disc brakes. All Volvos that we have, they have disc brakes. As you see, the frame is very clean. And the tires, here are the tires. The truck is DOT legal and has fresh PM service done. Here are the tires, the side of the frame. And here's the other side of the truck. I don't see any damage on the bottom fairings here, except that little scuff over here, which is, I'm pretty sure this can be buffed out. Also, I don't see any dents. So the truck is looking pretty good from the outside. I'm going to start the engine and open the hood so you can listen to the engine. And I'll show you the interior too in a moment. We have to give it a few seconds. the truck has the lane departure collision sensor here in the front. I forgot to mention that. Here's the engine. Bridgestone R213. Side of the engine. Show you the interior now. As you see, the truck has 448,000 miles. The truck number is 19159. I hope you've seen that before. Here's the dashboard. It's very clean. There's no sticky stuff on it on here. Seems like it was a clean driver. Here's the dash from the top. Steering wheel. Seats. I don't see any rips or holes. See, this is looking good. There's the flooring. And here's the passenger seat. All Volvos that we sell, they come with the TV mounts. They came like that from the factory. We buy all trucks new. Here's the shelf. Here's the other side of the shelving. It's a microwave is included. Also, we have a fridge with the freezer. It's a factory fridge and a 3000 watt power inverter. And here's the top bed. You can bring it down like this. I'll just put it back so you can see the headliner. The headliner is very clean. Got two windows. All recalls have been done on this truck. Those trucks, they have a bunk sleeper window recall. They seem to be falling out sometimes, so we've done this on all our trucks already. Here's a little spot that is kind of dirty. We will try to re-clean that. Here's the front headliner. very clean. And I'll take the truck for a little spin. I hope the camera won't die on me. So you can see how the transmission shifts. Going 29, 30. No sounds, no weird noises. And it pulls really nice. Also, we have those trailers for sale. They're 2015 Wabash, all the white trailers you see. If you're interested in the trailers, please call me or text me. My cell phone 708-983-5822. I'm just gonna go and park it now. There's another Volvo. And all these Volvos. We have one more Volvo with 444,000 miles. It's one of the trucks here, and all the rest of the trucks are pretty much sold. Alright, I'm gonna park it now. I don't want to hold the camera, so thank you. And you know how to contact me. Thank you.